السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته بسم الله والحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما اللهم اجعل القرآن ربيع قلوبنا ونور صدورنا اللهم آمين. So we are going to start our today's session. First, let us recap whatever we have started yesterday with the detached feminine pronouns, attached feminine pronouns. First, we will look at that, and then we will go to the our today's lesson. So, first of all, we have detached pronoun. So, first, I will just ask one participant to revise all things together. Arafa,
Yes.
go ahead. Detach feminine pronouns.
Okay. Here, she, hunna, they, anti, you, antuna, you all, ana, I, nahnu, we.
And now take the example of abidatun and with translation.
Okay. Here, abidatun, she is a worshipper. Hunna abidatun, they are worshipper. Anti abidatun, you are a worshipper. Antunna abidatun, you all are worshipper. Ana abidatun, I am worshipper. Nahnu abidatun, we are worshipper.
Okay, so this is detached pronoun. Okay, Arafa, now next thing is, can you please take ala and join with attached pronouns? Feminine.
عليها عليهن
No, alay.
عليهن عليهن عليك عليكن علي علينا
Alayya, alayna.
علي علينا
With translation?
عليها upon her عليهن upon them عليك upon you عليكن upon you all علي upon me علينا upon us.
Can you please take the noun deen? Deen mean religion. Attach it.
دينها religion of
Her.
her religion دينهن their religion dinuki your religion din dinukunna your religion your religion of you all dini my religion dinuna our religion.
Okay, thank you. Still, there is a verb practice we will do later. So let's do one more participant for the revision. Uh, Ima.
Yes, assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Just tell me detached feminine pronoun.
Okay. I think.
No, detached pronoun. Here.
Sorry. Here, I think. Anti, Antona,
First, you have to start again, please. Here.
here, she, Anna, they, Anti, you, Antona, you all, ye, my, na,
Why are you mixing everything? Just start detached pronoun first. Again, please. Here.
here, she, Hinna,
Hunna.
Hunna, they, Auntie, you, Antona, you all, أنا I, نحن, we.
Good job. Okay, now these are the detached pronoun which you were mixing here. These are he, ha, hunna, ki, kunna, I, na. We are just discussing about feminine. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Next, I see brother Shu'aib.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Your task is take Rob and attach with attached pronoun, feminine attached pronoun.
Rabbuha, her Lord, Rabbuhunna, their Lord, Rabbuki, your Lord, Rabbukunna, Lord of you all, Rabbi, my Lord, Rabbuna, Lord.
Oh Allah. One more thing. Ilah, towards.
Ilaha, towards her.
Here, there is when we there is right now we just use this ya as ilah just to stretch lam. But when we join it with the next attached pronoun, so this ya will be active. There will be skoon on that, so it will be ilayha.
Ilaiha, uh, towards her. Ilaihunna, towards
Ilayhinna.
Ilaihinna, towards them. Ilaiki, towards you. Ilaikuna, towards you all. Ilayya, towards me. Ilaina, uh, towards us.
Good job. Thank you. Thank you. This is all about. Only thing that we have these slides. So hiya, hunna, anti, antunna, ana, nahnu. And there is masculine. We just studied those totally separately. And just we have the now the feminine hiya, hunna, anti, antunna, ana, nahnu. These are detached. When we go to the attach, because they will not use separately, they will we have to attach something with that. We will attach the harf, that is called participle, nouns, and verb. We did not do the practice for verb yet, but we will do in couple of days. Within next couple of classes we will just practice for that is very easy. But first this, so attached pronoun mean they will not use just ha mean her, but there must be fiha, dinuha, qawluha, minha, anha. Who is for him? Ha is for her. And plural is hunna or hinna according to the use. Normally with ala, fi, and ila, it is hinna because here we use it in masculine him, alayhim, fi him, and ilayhim, be him. And similarly for hinna, alayhinna, ilahinna, ilayhinna, bihinna, like this. So ha plural is hunna. So this is all about the revision. Now we are going to start today different patterns of the verb. This is the level 1. We already discussed about fi'lul madi, fi'lul mudare, amr, nahi, fa'il, maf'ul, and masdar. We know that complete table, just whenever we have that fa'ala table. Just in the foundation level, that level 0, just we are aware about the fi'lul madi, mudare, amr, nahi, ismul fa'il, ismul maf'ul, and masdar. Today we will just start, formally we will start this verb. First thing, the verb will have different pattern. I will just explain. All the verbs we take from here, it's a good time to increase the vocabulary. All are taken from Quranic Arabic, and there will be practice for that. If we look at this table, just first look at this table. This is fi'lul madi mudare, and some verbs are written here. Fataha, yaftahu, daraba, yadribu, nasara, yansuru, without meaning. There is some difference in pattern. In Quran, these verbs comes in different way. There are different pattern. So what we have to learn here, we have separate all those pattern, and for every pattern there is one chapter. You can see here that in level 1 we will study 6 patterns, means 6 chapters. What does it mean pattern? If you just look at this, and most common thing here, fataha, daraba, nasara, samia, hasiba, karuma, 3 letters. It is not more than 3 letters. We will see 3 letters in level 3, but right now we are just practicing for 3 letters only. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they all are common. And failul mudare, we know that there is we have to add for the meaning yaftahu, yadribu, yansuru, yasma'u. This is ya for mudare, and ya we know that it means he, inside door. So if just you look at this fataha, yaftahu, here in the middle, in madi, the middle letter, so it is basically there is haraka, and this haraka we will say it as fatha. we will use the terminology fatha. That is universally accepted. Some in Indo-Pak we use it zabar zer pesh. That is not in Arabic. So we will say this haraka zabar fatha. That's fatha and this fataha, they are different. This fataha is complete word, but this haraka fatha. This ta, what is the haraka? Fatha. This one. And when we go to mudare, look at the same ta, and ta has the same haraka. What is that haraka? Because there are three haraka: fatha, kasra, damma. Here we have the second letter is fatha, and also the same second letter, that is ta. Here it has fatha, so it will be fataha yaftahu. What will be the pattern? Fatha, fatha. Fatha is not for this. This is just, we take this example, fataha, fataha, fatha. That is haraka. Now just look at the second pattern. Same here, the middle letter in the Madi, that is Ra. And what is haraka? That is Fatha. Okay. When we go to Fi'lul Mudari', look at the Ra. Is Ra has the same haraka? No. Now it becomes Kasra. This second haraka, this is Kasra. So this pattern will be Fatha Kasra. Why? The middle letter. Keep going. The next pattern, this is Nasara Yansuru. Again in Madi, middle letter. What is haraka? Fatha. This is Fatha. And then same Swad, when you go to Mudare, it has the haraka, that is Dhamma. So this pattern will be called as Fatha Dhamma. Next is, see here, Fatha Fatha, Fatha Kasra, Fatha Dhamma. When we go to the next pattern, Sami'a Yasma'u. What is the middle letter? Meme. And what is haraka? Kasra. And the same meme in Mudare, now the haraka is Fatha. So the pattern is Kasra Fatha. Next is Hasiba Yahsibu. What is haraka in the middle letter in Madi? Kasra. And Mudare, the same scene has Kasra. So this pattern is called Kasra Kasra. The last pattern is Karuma Yakrumu. Ra has Dhamma, middle letter. The same Ra, when it comes here in Mudare, the Ra has same haraka, that is called Dhamma. And this is Dhamma Dhamma. So we have six patterns: Fatha Fatha, Fatha Kasra, Fatha Dhamma. First with all three, start with Fatha, 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 Kasra, Fatha, Dhamma. Next three are started with Kasra, Fatha, Kasra, Kasra. There is no Kasra, Dhamma. And then we have Dhamma, Dhamma. What does it mean? In Quran, three letters words are divided into six patterns. We will see these six patterns. You will not have other than this: Fatha, 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 Kasra, Fatha, Dhamma, Kasra, 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 Fatha, Kasra, Fatha, Kasra, Kasra, and Dhamma, Dhamma. So we will have three letters in six patterns. And the first pattern will be one chapter. We will take all those verbs which falls on this pattern, Fatha, Fatha. They don't change this, Fatha, Fatha. So that will be the chapter number 1. And all those verbs, three letters verb, which will have this Fatha Kasra, like Daraba in Mudare, the second letter will haraka will change. That will be the second chapter. And we will say that the chapter name will be these representative verb. We are taking these as a representative verb. So first chapter will be Bab Fataha. It is not because of this Fatha. Don't confuse with Fataha with Fatha. So this is Bab Fataha. This will be Bab Daraba, Bab Nasara, Bab Sami'a, Bab Hasiba, Bab Karuma. We will take 6 classes to study all these 6 chapters. First, we will start today with the first chapter, which is called Bab Fataha. And how we will say it, the chapter name will be Bab Fataha. And how we will explain, just a short summary, always it will be in our mind. Fataha Yaftahu. Fatha, Fatha pattern. And then we have the meaning. Fataha means he opened. Level 1, chapter number 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha yaftahu. After saying the chapter, I will say the Madi and then Mudare. And after that, I will just define the pattern. That will be Fatha, Fatha. Umar,
Assalamu alaikum.
can you please just say chapter level 1?
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fatah, Fatah Yaftahu, Zabar Zabar.
I say use the word so that all, because we have the participant, we all are, we have to use Fatha, Fatha.
Oh,
It's not Urdu. Say it. So this
Fatah,
is
Fatah.
Fatha, Fatha. So again, please start again.
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fatah, Fatah Yaftahu, Fatah, Fatah.
Fatha. Why we say it is Fatha, Fatha?
Because
In Madi, what is haraka on ta on Madi?
Fatah,
Fatha. And same ta in Mudare, what is haraka?
Fatah.
Fatha. That's why the pattern will be Fatha, Fatha. Okay? Then Ibrahim Khan.
Yes, sir.
Assalamu alaikum.
Salam. Go ahead and explain chapter number 1.
Okay, chapter number 1 is
Level 1, chapter number 1.
level 1, chapter number 1. Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Fatha, Fatha. Fataha means he opened.
He opened. Very good. Can you please say it again?
Level number 1, chapter 1. Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Fataha, Fatha, Fatha.
And Fataha meaning
Fataha means he opened.
open, because we should know the meaning of first verb, and so that we can derive the all those other. Thank you, Ibrahim. So we have Turhan. Again, I will just say level 1, chapter number 1, Bab Fataha. Actual Bab means door in Arabic. And here for the in Arabic chapter, for the chapter, we say Bab Fataha, meaning chapter Fataha. Bab mean chapter. Bab mean door, opening a door. So this is opening a door for this pattern. So Bab mean chapter. Okay, Turhan,
Um,
go ahead. Level 1.
Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Fatah, Fatah.
Yes. And meaning of Fataha is,
Fataha means
what is the meaning? He opened. He opened. Okay. Brother Imran Rahman.
जी अस्सलाम
Wa salam.
वालेकुम। Level 1, Chapter 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Fatah Fatah, and Fataha means he opened.
Yep. Why we say that Fatha Fatha pattern?
To show the pattern that it's the middle letter is having Fatah for Madi and Fatah for the Mudare.
And same letter in Mudare, it retain the Fatha. In other chapters, this will be changed. So it
Correct.
will be Fatha Fatha. Okay, Brother Romiz.
Assalamu brother.
Walaikum Assalam. Go ahead, level 1, chapter 1.
Level 1, chapter 1.
Bab
About Fataha.
Fataha.
Fatah means Fatah Yaftu. Fatah means he opened.
Fatah means he opened. Can you please start with Fataha and complete table with translation, please?
Yeah. Fataha, he opened. Fatahu, they opened. Fatatta, you open. Fatattum, you all open.
You.
Fatattu, I open. Fatatna, we opened. Yaftahu, yeah, he opens or he will open. Yaftahuna, they open or they will open. Taftahu, you open or you will open. Taftahuna, you all open or you all will open. Aftahu, I open, I will, or I will open. Naftahu, we open or we will open. Iftah, open. La tafta, you don't open. Iftahu, you all open. La taftahu, you all don't open. Fatihun, the one who opens. Fatihuna, those who open. Fatihina, those who open. Maftuhun, those is being open. That one, yeah, that one is being open. Naftahuna, those is being open. Naftahina, those is being open. Fathun, open or to open.
Very nice. Thank you. Maftuhun, the thing which is being opened. Maftuhuna, maftuhina, those things which are being opened. This is the same practice. Already we did it in level 0. That's why now is Madi, Mudare is not a discussion. We know that there will be Madi, Mudare, Amar, Nahi, Fa'il, Maf'ul, and Masdar. Today we are just doing the same verbs. If you look at the left side, we already did a practice. But first time we are saying this is the chapter number 1. What is chapter number 1? Level 1. Chapter 1. Bab Fataha. Then we say Fataha Yaftahu. Fatha Fatha. And Fataha means he opened. And this is representative verb Fataha. That's why we name this chapter as Bab Fataha. And all those Quranic verbs which will take this pattern, 3 letters, Fataha Yaftahu, it will not change. And we already seen example that there will be a pattern, this will change. So this is not changing. The middle letter is retaining, it is haraka. Fatha on the middle letter remains fatha. So all those verbs which will have this pattern, they will be on bab, from which chapter? Level 1, bab fataha. Like ja'ala will be ja'ala yaj'alu, jama'a yajma'u, ba'atha yab'athu, dhahaba yadhhabu, rafa'a yarfa'u. All are fatha in the middle letter remains in fatha, and that will be recognized as bab fataha. And the pattern is fatha fatha, nahara yanharu. And now we have to build the vocabulary. First is fataha, we know the meaning, he opened. Now we have other verb, ja'ala, he made. So we should know the meaning, ja'ala, he gathered. Ba'atha, he appointed. First, one more practice we will do here, and then we will go to the breakout room. I would ask Khadija Shahbaz.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Your task is take rafa'a, ja'ala and fit here in the table. First say level 1.
Level 1, Bab Fataha,
Okay.
Ja'ala,
Okay. Level 1. Okay. Chapter number 1, Bab Fataha. Now you have to say the pattern. That is Fataha.
Ja'ala
First say.
Yaj'alu.
Okay. We have to say this one so that we should recognize.
Okay.
Fataha.
Fataha Yaftahu.
And what is pattern? Fatha.
Fatha.
Yes. And Fataha means
He opened.
open. This is the chapter summary. Level 1, chapter number 1, Bab Fataha. Fataha Yaftahu. Fatha Fatha, and Fatha means he opened. Now your task is just fit Ja'ala on the whole this table. Go ahead.
Ja'ala, Ja'alu, Ja'alta, Ja'altum, Ja'altu, Ja'alna. Yaj'alu, Yaj'aluna, Taj'alu, Taj'aluna, Aj'alu, Naj'alu. Ij'al, La Taj'al. Ij'alu, La Taj'alu. Ja'ilun, Ja'iluna, Ja'ilina, Maj'ulun, Maj'uluna, Maj'ulina, Ja'alun.
Ja'al. Ja'ala means
He made.
Ja'alna.
We made.
Aj'alu.
I will make.
Okay. Naj'alu.
We all will make.
Yeah, thank you very much. Good job. So we have to go to the breakout room and we can practice on this, especially on the chapter. Chapter 1, level 1, Bab Fataha, Fataha Yaftahu, Fatha Fatha.